Hello everyone, it's Ricky from the Backyard Builder, and today I'm back with another video and I will be showing you some of the best outdoor storage sheds that you can build this year and this spring in your backyard. So these are some of my favorite ideas and designs that I personally like and that I've picked from my plans, the plans that I use and that I want to show you today. So let's get right into it. The first shed is the upright wooden shed. Now, this is one of my favorites, especially for smaller backyards, because these are the type of sheds that you just throw up against the wall, and they're great, simple storage space. And because it's upright, you can store larger tools like rakes, gardening equipment, stuff along the lines like that. And the upright storage makes it very compact in your yard. So if you do not have a big place, maybe you have a condo and with a backyard, this is perfect for you. And it's a great garden piece and it goes very well with it and it's very convenient. This is definitely one of the ones I recommend. Next, we have the country garden shed. Now this one's a little bit different from the previous one and it looks quite different. Now this one's main feature is that it adds character to your backyard. It gives it a little spark. It makes it look a little unique, and that's what I like about this one. It's a great place to relax. You can sit, read a book, just sit outside. This is really good for that. That's probably what I would use it for, and it's overall a great addition to your backyard and just really adds character. So next, we have the Rustic shed. Now this shed just has a classic look to it. It's a wooden shed and I really love wooden sheds. That's my type of sheds. You'll notice all these sheds are made out of wood and I especially like wooden sheds because they're stronger, they're built better, and you can do it yourself, which I will talk about later on. Now this one is just easy storage because it's a simple design and you can build it quite easily. And it complements most backyards because, well, most if not all, because it matches and complements green space, gardens, trees, plants, stuff like that because of its wood. And that's why this is one of my favorites. Next is the simple wooden shed. Now this one may be my favorite just because of its pure simplicity. This is one of those sheds that you can build in a weekend or even on a single day, like I did in my backyard. This shed is a perfect playhouse for kids if that's what you want to build it for, or if you have grandkids. But the best part about it for me is it's storage space. It's just a simple design and you can fit everything you need. And you can even use it as a getaway space, like the country garden shed. If you want to read a book in there, add electricity, make it a little hangout, man cave, whatever you want. That's what I love about sheds, is that they're just so customizable. They're basically mini houses that you can do with whatever you want. So this is a great shed for your backyard. Next is the small wooden shed. Now this is really good for a small yard similar to the first one, simply because it is so customizable. You can build a wooden shed to fit the dimensions that you need. It doesn't need to be exact, and it'll fit any yard. They offer great storage for tools and even some machines like your lawnmower, or if you live up north like I do, a snowblower. These are a great addition and I would highly recommend it. But the thing about all this is that a great shed starts from the very beginning. And if you want a good shed, you want to start it off right. If you start off bad, it will inevitably lead to failure. And a good start means having good quality shed plans. Now this was my problem in the beginning because I tried to hire people to build my shed. I didn't do it myself and it did not go well. And if I did try to do it myself, I had no idea how until I found good shed plans. So if you want to build all the shed plans, or all the sheds that I listed in this video, then I have it linked below to 12,000 shed plans. Yes, you heard me correctly, 12,000. including the ones in this video and literally thousands more. Now you don't need any skills to build a shed. It is really not that hard. Because the shed plans below have Lego-like instructions. If you've ever played with Lego, or your kids have, or you have it, you'll know that it goes brick by brick, and it's extremely simple to build. Anyone can do it. It is the exact same way with these sheds. I actually built one just this spring, a few weeks back, using these plans, and it was so easy and fun. I absolutely loved it. And they offer these plans, they don't need like a lot of tools like machines. You just need some basic power tools like a drill, hammer, saw, simple stuff like that. They tell you all the materials you need, everything. So go ahead, click the link below to get these shed plans. I highly recommend it. 12,000 of them, over 12,000. So I'm certain if you didn't like the designs in this video, then I know you'll find exactly what you want and what fits your needs and what you like the best. So I hope this video helped you out. Go out and build one of these sheds and grab the shed plans below so you can go and add a new addition to your backyard this summer or spring. Well, hope you enjoyed, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.